We may have lied about the free brews, the drugs and the strippers, but we never lied about the music.
Yes, indeed, folks. It's the best Christmas party band in the world ever, if you don't remember the 70s. Yeah.
Strictly for disco maniacs.
Or, anal maniacs.
It's crazy 70s disco reenactment historians. Brutus Gold's Love Train. They're funkin' fantastic.
Disco time, hit it! Chin Valley, Virginia Slim, Camp David, Beverly Hills, and Randy Pantalones. Come on, clap your hands in the air. Say ho! Say ho! Go! Say disco! Say party! Say disco time! Here we go! Here we go! 1, 2, 3 to the boogie! Back! Forward! Come on, everybody! Clap your hands! Right! Left! Hey, where's that audience? I need some audience on stage right now! Come on, guys! Let's get with the groove! Hey! Caroline Morahan, come on, foxy lady, let's do it, honey. All right, don't be shy. Your mother wasn't. Come on, let's do it. Jump forward, back, forward, back. Oh, that's disco. Disco dynamite, out of sight. All right, back, come on. Forward, come on, go. Scream. Forward, back to the funky chicken. Ah, this is red hot. Disco dynamite, supersonic. Back, come on everybody. Forward. Can you dig it? All right. It's a disco night. Put your hands towards the ceiling if you've got that Brutus feeling. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Suck it to me. Suck it to me one more time. Forward. Hey, that's right. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Give me a look there.